Hi, welcome to TurnerTime. This tutorial is on how to determine what version of iOS is on iPhone and update. You may need to know what version of software or iOS is running on your iPhone. You can determine the iOS version, and if an update is available, you can get the latest version through this. This process is shown in iPhone 17, and it works the same on an iPad. Let's learn how you can do that. Tap on the Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. I have the latest version that is 26.2. If an update will be available, you will see the option here. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? Get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463.